Hello, my good people. Today is my first big, big loan on Bitconnect. And what I mean by that is I am joining, I just got done watching this video again. I am joining a lot of people that have done the big loans on Bitconnect. And what I've done so far, let me go ahead and get to Bitconnect. Open another window for Coinbase. I'll show you how I got there. And GDAX. What I did today was I woke up early this morning. Yesterday I did my wire transfer. And what I mean by that is I did my wire transfer from Coinbase. As you can see, I'll go to my dashboard. So I did my wire transfer. As you can see, I did. And here it is. It is coming. We go to. There it is right there. So I got my wire transfer in earlier. So did that. Then I sent it to GDAX. And the reason why I sent it to GDAX is because when I bought it today, I didn't have to pay the big fees that everyone else did. And the video that was just up from that gentleman is he had to pay fees. He had to pay like almost $400 in fees. And when you switch from your Coinbase account and send it to GDAX, which is Coinbase's sister account, you don't pay all the big fees. Like, it was free. Like, I sent it to there, and I'll show you where it says. So I deposited. And what I did today is I did it for my Coinbase, and I deposited my account, sent it over here, and it is Coinbase from their transfers are free, instant and free. So I got my funds instant, sent it, and then boom. So got on here, sent mine in. I made mine 3 hours ago. I did my limit order, which is another way you can do it. Instead of like over here, like you can put in, like when I did my $6,990, I would have got just one at that point from doing it from just the actual order. But you can come over here, do your limit order, and do your own price, and you can watch the candlesticks, watch when it drops, and you can buy it. You can buy it at the time that you want to. Up, went back down, and you can buy whenever you want. You don't have to go at the highest price that the market is as of right now. You don't have to buy it at the market order. You can buy it at the order that you choose from, and that's what I did. So after that, I sent it from GDAX, which was free again. So I clicked the withdraw button, and as you see, I already did my almost close to my daily limit. I went to my address, I copied and pasted, put in my two-factor, and I withdrew my funds. 30 minutes later, I went to my Coinbase, and let me go ahead and sign in, do my two-factor code again. Give me 1 second. If you don't have it, I mean, I would advise it. I mean, you don't have to get it. It's just another level of security, because you do have a lot of people in this world that like to hack, that like to take stuff from people. So I advise it. I mean, it's another way to get your account and stuff. So I sent my Bitcoin in. I traded them in right here. Did my transaction. And I made my loan. I invested it, guys. I invested it. I invested $10,000 today. 10,000. Well, actually, I invested 10,120 today, which is awesome. Like I tell people, get in here, get in, do it. Do your loans. So you come in, you do your lend, and you would do your $10,000 loan. It cost me, yeah, 77 Bitconnect coins. Full coins that I did, and I did that today. Got in there, and it wasn't too long ago. I'll show you. So right here, I did it today. 76 actually, that I got paid from in my lending wallet. So right here, $10,000 loan right there. Then after that, I had enough, because I'm just fond of $100.20 loans. I don't know why. I guess it's because I watched about 120 videos from all the people, the males or females on YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever social media platform that you watch videos on. I just chose to watch them all to get in the game and actually learn and do it. So I started watching people in March and April. If I'm not mistaken, I think Trevon James got in about April, if I'm not mistaken. And other people were there before him, and I was watching them and watching Craig Grant get in there as well, and a lot more other people that's got into it. So I watched videos, I watched, and I learned, and I watched, I waited, I learned, I watched, and I waited, and so on, before I actually really want to get my feet wet into it big time. I mean, as you can see, I got in. I get in right here. When I did my first. The capital release will be there, 2018, and this right here, 2017, 8 up to 10, 14. Sorry, is when I got in. So that's when I got in, guys. So like I said, I started off small. I did 2 $120 loans, and I just wanted to see. Like I said, I've watched other people's videos. I've seen them getting paid, but we all have that little part. It's like, well, if they can do it, but is that really going to work out for me? Just because it's working for them isn't going to work out for me. And sure enough, as you see, I got in, and the next day I got a whopping, literally the next day I got a whopping $2 from each one. So that was 4. Then I got $1.50. Then I got $1.70, and then it kept going, kept going. Then I decided right here to be like, boom, I want to do another $120 loan. Then after that, I got paid from that the next day, and then so on and so on. No referrals. I'm just here, just trying to work it. I'm learning as myself. I'm like I said, knowledge runs anything. I don't care what anybody says. They can have the most money in the world. They can be a billionaire, trillionaire, whatever it is. But it's the knowledge that will last forever. So as I tell people, gain your knowledge, get in, do what you got to do, invest. Have a reason to invest. Make it strong. Mine's is, my family, me, financial stability, my future kids, my wife, everyone. Like I want that financial wealth, not only for my intermediate family, but people that I come across. I want to be able to help and teach them in ways, of reinvesting. I mean, a lot of people, still today, have shoe boxes full of money, or it's like, oh, I'm gonna leave it in my savings, but your savings only pays you a small dividend. And what I mean by small compared to this is, watch when we go up here to the lending wallet, we're gonna pull up the volatility software interest. So like a little, like my CD I have now, I'm not getting nowhere compared to what I am now. So we're gonna do the last 6 months. Like I'm like seriously, I'm not getting paid nowhere close to this. So last 6 months is 0.91%, almost 1%. So if I did 10,000 up and $10 for 120 days, and then I calculate that, I would get almost $14,000 back just by putting it in there. I don't know what CD that you can do. I don't know, like if you do, let me know. I'll go to that bank. I'll validate that bank and see, because like I said, I've done CDs and you don't get this much. You have to leave it in there almost like 40 years to get it with today's inflation amount and all that. So the compound interest and hitting, trying to get that. So, but with this, I can get this in 120 days. 120 days. That's not bad. And that's only if I don't reinvest. But if I reinvest after, every day I get paid, and reinvest, make a new loan, reinvest, that's going to be that compound to every day it's just growing and growing and growing. And then my plan is for 120 days is to reinvest everything that I get. And then once at the end of that 120 days, which I think it's going to be, if I'm not mistaken, I think I got it in just at the time to get at the end of the year. That's what I was trying to do. So let's go back and I'm going to see. We'll go over here. I'm going to see, hopefully. So let's go back real quick. So lending wallet. So look at this, guys. I was in here just in time. So the 27th of this year, I would definitely gonna have a video that day. I would get it back. And so for every day until then, I'm gonna click the reinvest button, and I'm gonna show you this mighty button that some people don't want to do. Like this button right here, reinvest. You can only reinvest up to $10, so I have 51 cents. So once I get it, I'll put in whatever I get, 125, whatever it is that I get, I'll put in another $120 loan every day until then. And like I said, every Saturday I'll be posting videos. I'll be doing that. But that's today of what I did today. I'm sorry that I couldn't do it officially, like so y'all can actually see it, but I did do it today. My computer was down for a little bit, but we're back up and running. So I was trying to record, my mic was working, all that. So here it is, guys. I've done my $10,000 loan. I'm excited. Tomorrow, like I said, I should be getting paid from that. And then, like I said, this coming Saturday, I'll be posting another video of where I came and everything else. So this, like I said, this is my first video. I have my Facebook if you want to donate, or if you want to just leave me tips. Like I said, knowledge is power. I'm here just trying to give you guys knowledge. If there's something you want to see, like I said, I'm a regular Joe. Like I said, add me on Facebook and you'll see all that stuff. So like you can message me on here. Like I said, I'm regular Joe. I'm not some dude that's out here making a killing, doing this anything. I do everything by the books, legal. So like I said, just give me some feedback on this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you need any advice, anything that I've learned so far from watching all the videos, that I've learned a lot, and I give my props to the people, to YouTube. I give a shout out to them, because everyone for them, half of us wouldn't even learn a lot of what we're learning today. Technology is improving, and we just got to keep up with it as humans and just learn as much as we can, and that's where I am. So give it a thumbs up, message me, comment on things that I can improve. If you're watching this video, I say thank you for taking your time. But that's today. That concludes this video of my $10,000 loan to Bitconnect. I wish you all the best. Everyone have a blessed day, and talk to you later. Bye.